The Maverick, and I'm back with another unboxing and shoe review. Today we have the Air Jordan 4 Women's Vivid Sulfur. This is the box. As you can see, Jordan is doing a white and gold box for the 4s for women, I guess. Their uppers, the leather on the toe is smoother than this part right here. It's a little smoother, so the texture is a little different. We have like a mustard color on the outsole, and then we have like a vintage outsole where the air pocket is right here. On the uppers, we have the black wings, of course, that same mustard color on the eyelets. It's come out April 6th. I think this would have been a really dope shoe if it came out for Easter. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all think Jordan is like pushing out too many Jordan 4s? We still have the military blue 4s coming out. They have the sail 5s and the chrome 1s coming out in April. So y'all let me know which one y'all are gonna cop, what y'all tempted to get. I'm gonna get these and these, maybe not.